I want to say thank you very much for hanging out and chilling out with me today on Valentine's Day. I hope you enjoyed the video all the way through. Leave me something in the comments, whether it is red hearts or purple hearts or rose. Leave me in the comments something. To see how I completed this look, keep watching all the way through and you will see good vibes, positive affirmation, encouraging words, all because we are one safe, happy, joyful place to be right here at Makeup Without Limitations. Keep watching so you can see how I created this look. Remember to subscribe. Hey everyone, welcome back. Thank you everyone for coming to chill with me on this Valentine's Day. I am so happy that you picked my channel to hang out with on this Valentine's Day. If you celebrate Valentine's Day, happy Valentine's Day to you. If you don't, have a fantastic day. This chill hangout is going to be a one color eyeshadow look. Let us get into it. I'm using the Festival palette by Juvia's Place. And we're going to do a one color eyeshadow look. I am happy. Let's just chill out together today. I will tell you about I have creases in my eye base, so let me just get rid of them. Much better. Much better, so we don't crease the eyeshadow, you know what I mean? Also, note to self on this Valentine's Day. Give yourself love and affection. Pick self first. Self first. Self-love and affection. One color eyeshadow look. For my community, my YouTube family. We're just hanging out. We're chilling out today. Let's chill out today. A couple things I want to say in this video is you never know what you have until it is gone. You never know the use of a good thing until you lose it. Don't wait to lose a good thing that you have to realize it was good. Make amends, they say, with whatever it is. But don't lose a good thing. There are not too many good things that comes around very often. So when you have one, recognize it and figure out how to work with it and keep it. I'm just trying to smooth the edges of a simple hangout day, Valentine's Day. I put the red over here for you. See, red and gold with a little bit of black in there and a little bit of white. So I was like, we gotta chill with this today. I just have to put it up, just so we can hang out. And you notice I have the red in the background and all of that good stuff. All of that is for you. When I'm setting up my setup and everything, I'm thinking about you. Because when I'm sharing, I want to share with you. I am glad you are here hanging out with me on Valentine's Day. I'm very, very happy. I'm honored that you take the time to hang out with me. The next thing I want you to think of is to challenge yourself. Challenge yourself about something for something. I have noise in here, so I have to kind of pace myself when I'm talking so I don't get the noise in the video. Real life situation, you know how that works. You plan your stuff, you come, you sit down, and then, there are things that you cannot control. You just have to move on. But be willing to challenge yourself. Challenge yourself. You think you can walk a mile? Challenge yourself to walk half. Or challenge yourself to walk a quarter. Eventually, if you keep challenging yourself little by little by little, you'll be able to do the mile. But don't challenge yourself to do a full mile in one day if you haven't really walked a quarter mile. Little steps at a time, and you'll get it done. Today's I am say, I am grateful for life and strength. I am grateful for life and strength. There is a pretty white right here. It's a shimmer. I'm going to take them, put in the corner. I am grateful for life and strength. I hope you are thankful and grateful for life and strength. Always remember you are first. Love yourself plenty. Take care of yourself. If you're having any bad thoughts that is not healthy, unhealthy thoughts can create a very disturbing mind. If you have any of these thoughts, please seek help. Do not harm yourself or another. Always remember you are important in this universe. Do not dim your light for another. Seek help whenever you think you are in danger of hurting yourself. Seek help. And also seek help when things are going good, so you have a network of people you can depend on so you don't hurt yourself. Keep shining bright. Keep living life. Enjoy. And remember, you never know the use of a good thing until you lose it. Don't wait until you lose it to realize how good it was. I have been there. I remember when I had surgery in this hand. And then I realized, my God, I need both hands to take my clothes off, to take a shower, to do so many things. And my husband had to help me with a lot of things because I couldn't do anything with this hand. So do not wait until you lose a good thing to know how important it was. This look is going to be fabulous for all of us. One color, simple eyeshadow look. For Valentine's Day, we are chilling, we are hanging out. Let us give thanks and praise to Jah, to God, to the universe. And let us keep encouraging each other and loving ourselves a little bit each and every day. Boom. Today's eye look for Valentine's. What you think? I made it Valentine's, semi-Valentine's, full Valentine's. For those who celebrate it and don't celebrate it, there is a color in here for you. Tell me what you think in the comments. Tell me what you think about this Valentine's look. What I use? Uma Beauty foundation as my base. Juvia's Place blush palette and Juvia's Place palette. Eyes, blush. This one on my cheeks. This red on my eyes. I use the purple from another palette as my eyeliner. This is purple eyeshadow. You can mix and match and do anything you want with your makeup. Have fun. My finishing powder are these two. One from LYS. This one is from Black Opal. The lighter one is in the middle of my face. The darker one is to set the rest of my face. LYS bronzer. Juvia's Place lip gloss and Colored Rain liquid lip color. And I lined it with Black Opal Coffee Bean. My lip combo. My eye base is Plain Makeup by Yolando. I did not spray my face today. This is it. This is it. Remember to subscribe and I will see you in the next video. Bye.